This is the celebrant. Hello, celebrant, and grandma's back. Woo-hoo. The celebrant is.
See if what would you accept this girl?
Sleeping used.
I am not the celebrant. I am the celebrant's cousin.
I'm not the celebrant. I'm the celebrant. Mother. Zion. Zion, no. Zion, no, not the pink one. Go get the black one. And then I'm going to get the black one for her, please. Go get the black one, please.
Look, quick, the motor is coming.
Be fast.
I'm going to sing, yeah.
I'll wear mine.
Now, where you
I'm not the celebrant. I'm the celebrant's cousin. I'm here. I'm not celebrant.
No, she didn't. Okay. I can hear you. She doesn't want to do what? We're going to the train station. No, depends on who knows here. Train station. They cancelled it. Yes, now. So my manager, who I'm in one place called Tortilla. It's in Mexican. Salsa, sweet corn. Sweet corn, please. How is the salsa like? Is it spicy?
No, not spicy. Is it tomato? Coriander?
Tomato. Coriander. Can we have the two? Yeah? I've never eaten Mexican. Is this Mexican food?
Sorry?
Is this Mexican food?
No.
Is Indian?
Californian.
Californian. Oh, nice.
Sweet corn?
Yeah.
Look what this way, look this way. Okay, 7.
150 extra.
Huh?
Guacamole 150 extra.
To put on it?
Yeah.
How much extra?
150
Guacamole.
extra.
What is guacamole?
Guacamole, avocado.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah? Both?
Yeah, both.
I hope my children eat this thing. Might be nice. Might be nice.
That's too small for £2.50. I need more.
Yeah, I love guacamole. Is it very hot?
Yeah.
Medium hot.
Medium, please, because of. Oh, it's a sick why I bomb. Was I get it?
No, that's fine.
That's all. Yeah.
You like any drink?
Sure.
Yeah, would like.
If you get it,
Huh?
if you get it,
Oh, for you get it, China.
yes. Yeah. I don't know if it's small. For mommy, tell you how to make better than my hair. How do you know? What are you doing?
Go ahead, go thing.
One small one.
Burrito.
We're still buying things. We need one small one, please. One small round. What another one?
Are they going to heat it? Are they not heating it? Not make it hot.
I mean, make it hot.
All these ones are hot already.
Okay, are they hot?
This portion is hot. This portion is
Okay. All
Go
right.
ahead. Go ahead.
All right, love. Baby, can I get some on the one? Burrito, tacos. Taco la taco. It's Californian, right?
Kakariti and Ekurese.
Medium up here.
Moto 7.
We need to be fast.
Can't inside the train. All that being cold. Okay, I don't.
Here now, we'll have what time, sir?
17:11. Catapis. Little.
Not a good man from one end. They follow you gradually. Yeah. Yeah, you got to look at it.
And you picture the houses along the edges.
One thing has nothing.
The officer was party, December party date. Excuse me, please. Are you good on? Sorry about that. Alright. Okay, go back. Yeah. Oh yeah, go ahead. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, come back please. Man, what is the guy?
So that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's see for the very first time. Tacos, burritos. It's full of mango rice inside.
Neto, what is the problem? Are you alright? Are you alright?
Yeah.
I do apologise for any delays at your services.
No, I'm dry, Labaduko.
Okay, mo. Okay, I'm going.
I'm a bunk him ever. I go kind of.
Look at my ego kind of.
Yes, now. I'm not eating, I'm pressing. Look at it. Pressing.
Mommy, Santa.
We're going to return them.
How many have you got?
4,300.
Neto.
Neto, can you stop the noise, please?
Can you stop the noise? On my hand, Apple.
I tell you, I'm gonna go.
That's how I will stop.
Mommy, you have something to in on.
Something like biscuits. What can you go?
You know what I mean? Oh, he has a very loud voice.
Can I? Sheffield, my mom.
This is nice.
Daddy,
300.
I mean 3,000.
Now I thought of more. To go gaze you.
This is
Look at my teeth.
in my video, guy.
You know my teeth.
Tortilla, bread, flat bread, rice, beans, avocado, tomato, sweet corn.
Name them.
This will be nice with hot.
It is hot.
Happy at 11, so okay, maybe. Oh, thank you, maybe.
It's possible.
It's good. I like it.
Mommy. I'm doing too much.
Can you stop that?
A Bristol temple.
About what? About I can attack. About you can attack. Are you river 11? 2011. The time we had to get river 1956. We were the show Bristol kind in the Bristol train station.
Temple. I've not been. I've been there once, yeah.
Mommy.
So, the only rice is Mexican. The other one is Korean.
Daddy, where do you buy that cup?
From my workplace.
Can you buy it?
No. Can you stop that? Take your leg down.
It's not. Before I go for. It's so bad.
Welcome to any passengers who've just joined us at Sheffield. This is the delayed 1956 service from Sheffield to Bristol Temple Meads. The next stop on this service in approximately 10 minutes will be Chesterfield.
It's so bad. Tunnel. Train is faster than bus. Yeah.
Yes, it's faster. Very fast.
Can I walk speed? 4,000 what? You don't know figures.
4,004.
What is that?
Love the view.
Train is faster, very fast. Train is the fastest.
Love the countryside view.
Except from jet.
This is one beautiful thing about
Who is the fastest?
being on a
Guys,
train.
Tram. Have you seen
The view
tram?
is breathtaking.
Tram.
Breathtaking. Do you agree?
Tram. Very fast.
Why are you doing this?
Show me.
I'm not sure you'll see it later.
The view. Wow, look at this view.
Why are you doing this?
I'll do it.
Leo.
That's it for you now. I'm just saying where are you?
Leo.
I know you have 10,000. 9,000. Oh, is that 8,000?
Leo, leave me.
You are.
In a bomb.
I know, just tell me,
Maybe yeah, Joe in that.
This is a golf course. Nice.
Oh, how?
Looks nice.
Yes. There are some beautiful houses here
Very beautiful.
than our house.
There's no beautiful houses there.
Yes, look at.
The view is
House.
breathtaking.
Stop. I can see trees. Some trees.
Lots of trees.
No one needs the toilet.
Hmm?
No one needs the toilet.
Do you need a toilet?
Slide on. But we didn't drink. How?
I know you make something from my house.
I am singing what I sing. I will sing Goldilocks. Goldilocks went to the tree bear house. When the bear came back when she slept a day, then she eats baby bear porridge. Then she bakes baby bear yeah. And they went to upstairs and she flew on and baby bear died and the bear came back. After the baby said, somebody have eaten my porridge. Somebody have broke my chair. Somebody is sleeping in my bed. Is Goldilocks. And Goldilocks, look at them and she ran away.
Yeah, it's underground.
Oh, the bear.
It's 10 p.m. and we're still on the journey. 4 more hours to go. 4 hours. Train. Right.
But so when did the train?
Usually our break is not time.
You mean his bank? That little bank.
What am I doing?
take that leg down. Can you?
Somewhat.
That one.
I'm so tired.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
On holiday?
In a house, yeah. Just sit here.
Come to the end of this journey. You don't, are you setting it inside the train?
No, I'm here, I'm not abandoning man.
Oh, okay. Who is Jaya? Zaza. Guys, we're live in Bristol. Michael, take the boy. Take the boy. Take the boy. Take the boy.